Right, in this video we're going to show you how to change the battery tray on our multi-port hose end timers, or hose faucet timers. Changing the tray is pretty obvious, but the one thing we do need to note is the distinction between the different types of trays we make and what works with what. So if you have a timer that looks like this, that's just the one port, that uses a different tray than the one we're talking about here. So we do sell the tray for that one, but we don't. It's not the same, so you need to make sure you get the right one. If you have a timer that's got two or more ports, so it's got two ports here, you've got one that looks like this one, different color, it's got two ports. This one has three, but it's got one that's manual. We also make one that's three all automatic, a two that's got a manual one on it. All of those take this tray, so just make sure you get the right tray, and that way you won't have any problems. The way to change it is pretty simple. Basically just pop out the old tray, get those batteries out of there, put them in the new one, and then insert that, and you're good to go. So you've got your, and usually this is going to maintain the programming when you take the tray out for anywhere up to 20-30 seconds. So there's a little bit of juice that runs through it afterwards. If you're quick, you won't lose your programming and everything can stay as it was. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks.